If the state proves up the enhancement, your range of punishment will be 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
This 42-year-old thought he had a deal. 3 violations in last 3 years and 2 new charges. Judge Boyd is going to teach him a lesson.
Court is calling 2024 CR 2335, State of Texas versus Michael Anthony Campos. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Thank you. Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Out of the Western for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Campos?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Campos, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Waive, Your
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Campos, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of robbery? Range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If the state proves up the enhancement, your range of punishment will be 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, sir.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe so.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Campos, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 13 years in the prison. There are no applications, and this is to run concurrent with 2022 CR 2522. And you're to agree that you've been previously convicted of another charge for purposes of enhancement. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, sir.
State?
Yes, sir.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph? Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it
Yes, ma'am.
in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
And to the enhancement, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
State, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor, I offer State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your proof and based upon State's Exhibits 1 and attachments.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 13 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 2522. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement. Your right to appeal, you do not have or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. We're going to proceed with 2022 CR 2522. What's entitled motion to revoke community supervision and First Amendment motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review?
Committed the offense of robbery in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And Your Honor, we waived the other violations alleged in these two motions.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 7 years in the prison and up to a $1,500 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're asking that you grant the motion, revoke the defendant's probation, and sentence him to 7 years in the prison, concurrent with cause number 2024 CR 2335.
That is our understanding agreement, Your Honor.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court will follow your agreement. The court will grant the motion, sentence you to 7 years in the prison. This to run concurrent with 2024 CR 2335. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Sarah Sarah Garzes, Garzes. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certification. Pen just failed. Going to show you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. How old are you?
42.
All right, you're 42. You get to the point where I am, which is we're on the downside of life, right? So I know you have a lot of issues that are going on in your background based upon your tattoos and everything else. So you're going to have to make a decision on what you want to do with the rest of your life. Do you want to be in prison and locked up for the rest of your life? Or do you want to be in the free world? It's completely up to you. You understand? All right, good luck to you, okay?
All right, I appreciate it, ma'am.
You're welcome.
And be excused, Your Honor.
Yes.
A 42-year-old man named Michael Anthony Campos walked into a Texas courtroom with a deal already read. He was facing a robbery charge, and because of his criminal history, he was lucky at the possibility of serious time. He politely answered yes ma'am and no ma'am Judge Boyd's questions, agreeing to plead no contest in exchange for a 13-year prison sentence. But the day wasn't over for him. He was also in court for probation revocation, a separate felonious case. He pleaded true to a violation, resulting in another 7-year sentence. Judge Boyd, seeing the tattoos in a lone row of hay, gave an amount of real tar. She told him he's in the downside of life, and stamped his horror he wants to spend in prison or in free word. In the end, she made both sentences run together, giving him a total of 13 years and a final warning to turn his life around.